Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video of daily market analysis from Alpha CQ. So let's start with our discussion. So today also you can see that Nifty had nice upward trending day today. We had discussed this possibility in our previous video yesterday. So yeah, but if you look at the bigger picture, we are still trading in this consolidation itself. So any movement in this sideways consolidation may not have that much of importance, at least on this time frame. So what can attract more traders is like what we do when we approach this extreme or this extreme of this consolidation. That development will be interesting to see. In future. So if you ask me, do I really trust this up move? No, actually it is not that great to trust this up move, because we need to see that what is the efforts put by the buyers here. We are not seeing any kind of rejection from the lower end. So what is happening is there were sellers and they did not see much of results for the efforts they were putting. They might have just stopped selling, and that exhaustion of sellers might be the reason for this upside move as of now. So I'll go with the buyers once they start scaling above this consolidation high. Till then, at least on this time frame, I'm not with the buyers as of now. So yeah, that was from the daily chart. So let's get into the profile chart. So what we are seeing here is a Nifty profile chart. So in our previous videos, previous video we had discussed this point as very important, like 18,100. Why that was important? Because there was weak high around this zone and we exactly closed around the same zones. So in our previous video we discussed that if at all we see acceptance here above 18,800, we might quickly scale towards 18,200 or 250 odd zones today. So exactly that is what happened today. If you have not watched the previous video of daily market analysis, I'll just post the link in the description. Please do watch that video. So again, you might see that there was initially interest from the buyers in Nifty from the opening. For entire day the control was with buyers, and later part of the day there was some sideways move which happened. So yeah, again we had this nice sideways move and then one upside, and if you look again there is some sideways move. On intraday basis it is fine, we got some upside move, but on the higher time frame, if I want to still go with buyers, then I would need some good strength by buyers, at least one good range trending day or acceptance above key references. That will have confidence, that will give you more confidence to go with buyers. So again, yeah, this is what profile chart is telling us. Again, this high is will be very important for next trading sessions, because we have swing high here somewhere around 18,250 to 200 zones. Just keep an eye on these zones. If at all we start accepting above 18,250 tomorrow, then we might open up test of this swing high and also this swing high, not to forget, which is also the high of the consolidation which we discussed on our daily chart. So just keep an eye out for 18,250 zones for tomorrow's trading sessions. On the downside, I don't think much of references are there today. So at least on the market profile chart, I am not seeing any immediate references which can give a short trade. So let's see what if we can find any of that points on 5 minutes chart. So what we are seeing here is a 5-minute chart of Nifty. So you can see that initially there was some attempt from sellers to enter the previous day. So yesterday also we had discussed that this HVN can act as some sort of support if at all we come back. Exactly, we have tested that zone and went up strongly today. Yeah, so since today was some kind of trending, 18,170, that is today's VWAP can be the reference which we can look for if market starts coming down. So yeah, keep an eye on that zone if you are looking for short trades. 18,170 to 150 zones should be important. If at all we see prices accepting below that, then I think we'll test this zones and this low for one more time, and then we might think of some directional moves. So that was from Nifty 5 minutes chart. So now let's get into the Bank Nifty chart. So again, what you are seeing is a daily chart of Bank Nifty. So in our previous video, we discussed that we are in a bigger consolidation here. Like this is the smaller consolidation and this is the bigger consolidation. Unless we are trading in this consolidation, I don't think any of the moves will have much of importance. You can see one day we go down and next day we go up, and that thing is continuing for a while now. So that has become the recent norm for the market. So I'll get interested in the markets only if I see some interesting development happening around this extreme of the consolidation or this extreme of the consolidation. Till then, I don't think this sideways move will attract me much, and there will be no much of trading opportunities, at least on this time frame or time frame which I trade actually. So that is for you Bank Nifty daily chart. Just keep an eye on this consolidation highs and lows, which is around 42,900 and 41,900 zones for clear directional trades. So that was from the daily chart, and let's get into the profile chart now. Yeah, profile charts, again you can see we are in this consolidation which we discussed on daily charts as well. So you can see that we opened within previous day's zone, but the B period we had nice range extension to upside. E period again went up, but if you can see, most of the day we moved sideways. There was no much of confidence from buyers, unlike Nifty. Nifty, we saw buyers taking control from the initial part of day itself, but Bank Nifty, there was no much of confidence, and we simply traded sideways today actually. So yeah, that is what and we are, in our video, in yesterday's video, we had mentioned that for intraday longs, what we can do is once we start seeing acceptance above 42,500, we might start scaling higher. So our expectation was to test this high somewhere around 42,800, but again buyers got exhausted too early and they started moving sideways. So yeah, that is what happens when you are trading in a consolidation kind of thing. So you can expect exhaustion too early than expected. So that is from the profile chart. Right now, I don't think there is references which we need to look for on profile charts also, because unless we are trading in this consolidation, there will be no much of importance given to the directional trades. So just keep an eye on this extremes of the consolidation, 42,900 and 41,800, 41,800 or 41,900 zones. Yeah, this is the zones. Just keep an eye on these zones. If at all we start accepting here, then probability of price exploring higher prices will be very high in that case. Or if at all we come back and start accepting here, then the fall can be very aggressive this time, testing towards 41,500 and 42,600 zones. So till then, I feel like we need to stay on the sidelines, because getting caught on the wrong trades is the reason why most of the traders fail in the market. So that was from the profile chart. So now let's see what 5 minutes chart did. So again, you can see that there was complete sideways move happening today. No doubt there was some price progress happening here. So I don't think that was all tradable moves, because we were in the range actually. There was no much of price differential happening and price extending the range. Nothing of such sort was happening. We just traded within a range, giving some volatile moves in between. So yeah, I don't think there was good trading opportunities in Bank Nifty, at least for today. Yeah, that was from 5 minutes chart. Yeah, that is, I think, one possibility is what we discussed yesterday was this VWAP. If at all we see acceptance above this VWAP, then we thought this HVN can be targeted, which happened, like not exactly, but we almost came near to that HVN, somewhere around 42,600 zones. This possibility we had expected in our previous discussion. So hope that was helpful for you in today's trading session. So yeah, that was from the 5 minutes chart of Bank Nifty. So yeah, that's it for today's analysis. Hope this discussion will help you in trading tomorrow's expiry. So don't forget that tomorrow is a expiry, and most of the time on expiry days what happens is sellers will create a range where they want to trade, and options expire worthless. So expecting a directional move will be like, I'm not saying that it may not happen, but just be cautious with your expectations on expiry days. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.